and you stay to the end. So you get to see this giveaway. I won this maybe a month and a half ago, but I had backed off on vlogging and I never got a chance to show y'all this, but I started using it before I showed it to y'all. So this is a blender that I won from a giveaway from this Infinity Life. This Infinity Life is a black vegan family. They've been vegan, I'm sorry, I don't know the amount of years, probably somewhere around 6 or 7 years, could be wrong. The mom, Chris, is on a weight loss journey, and she lost weight before when she went vegan, and then she had 2 babies back to back, bringing her to her dream of having 6 kids. And so she's now back on a weight loss journey. She's also on a lock journey, and her husband has locks, beautiful long locks. I feel like his locks are butt length that she's been maintaining herself between her and him. So she's now maintaining, well, she's been maintaining her husband locks. Sorry about my voice. And her husband, y'all, is maintaining her locks. They is a beautiful couple. Kids are beautiful, smart, talented. I hope y'all check them out. And I can go on and on about her channel, but I'm not, because I'm going to leave the link in the description so y'all can check her out yourself. A lot of my vegan recipes are inspired by her and Vegan Fit Mom or Vegan Fit Fam. I'm going to leave a link too. But yeah, anyway, let me show y'all this because I really didn't want the video to be too long, but I had to show y'all what I won from her giveaway. This is the blender. As y'all know, I have a Vitamix, big bulky blender that sit here that works so good. Well, this do the job. And I haven't been doing a lot of like heavy blending with smoothies and stuff because I've been using this lately, y'all. But if y'all like y'all smoothies, I mean, keep it up. I'm not saying don't do it. This is just way more convenient for me. And this is something I got from GNC. I've been using this since like November. Back when I first started fasting, I just went and I asked for something with veggies and fruits so I can make sure I get my servings, and I wanted to just get it quick. That's why a lot of times when y'all see me eat, y'all don't see a whole bunch of veggies and fruit and stuff, because I am confident I'm getting enough through this, and it's been working wonders. And I'm gonna have to tell y'all about this in another video. Anyway, I want to show y'all how this blender works. It comes with 2 bottles, and just you put your stuff in there, and it's as simple as screw the top on, sit the blender here. I blend my stuff. All I did was gave it 1 turn. I could pull it off. All I normally do is give this a rinse. But you go straight to putting your top on. And you flip it back. And I normally head out the door to work with this. Love it. Love the way the top is made. Anyway, I hope y'all check out Chris and her family. And I hope y'all check out Vegan Fit Fam. 2 black vegan families, husband, wives, with kids. They can do it. We can do it. So, thanks for watching. I'm Mama 4.